जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे। We are blessed with the transcendental presence of Honorable Rashtrapati Ji. Thanks you for coming to this place again, say. Wish you to come again and again, say. I would like to express my gratitude to the Education Minister of India, because today, not only in India, but in the whole of the world, NEP, National Education Policy, is sparkling with Prabha, Jnana Prabha. Shraddheya Pragyananji Maharaj, Jnana Swarupananji Maharaj, my dear friend Minister in the government, Shri Ashok Chandra Pandaji, Vandaniya Bahen Mayor, Sulochana Das Ji, and the enlightened audience who is out to restore, revise, revive, review, retrieve, resurrect, rejuvenate, and of course heralding a new renaissance in India, not only in India, but in the whole of the world. My salutations to all of you, please, sir. As far as celebration of the Foundation Day of Jnana Prabha Mission is concerned, life minus attachment is celebration. Celebration is the nature of the spirit, you see. And spirit is unborn, eternal, immutable, and imperishable. Therefore, the persons like you sitting before me, the sages, the seers, and the saints, the scholars, the Nobel laureates, or the scientists of the world, have got, are destined to bring out that sort of Jnana Prabha. And therefore, the persons who are with the psychic nature, destined towards the divine, you say, they are here listening to, and they will listen to the Honorable President of India today, you see. And as far as Jnana is concerned, knowledge is concerned, Lord Krishna speaks to Arjuna, Jnanante sab jnanam vivakshyami asheshataha. Bhumi rapo analo ayukham anubuddhi revachaha. Ahankariti me bhinna prakriti yashtatha. Aparamedanya prakriti vidhi me param. Jnanam labdava param shanti achirena gacchati. Unless otherwise one is impregnated with that transcendental knowledge, you say, you cannot attain peace. You can't love the humanity, you say. And therefore he says, there are only two types of beings in the world, you say. Marx would say that haves and have-nots. The leaders of the parties, particular parties, will speak of the persons who are downtrodden, who are well off. But Lord Krishna speaks that there are two varieties, two kinds of people. One is fallible and the other is infallible. And Jnana Prabha is destined to bring the fallible to the infallible stage. That is what Jnana Prabha is. And that is one meant for Jnana Prabha. Moreover, as far as the greatness of a country or of a particular state or of an individual does not depend upon winning the political party or achieving a post of, say, mantri or chief minister or the governor or the president of India also, we say. It depends upon his responsive truth and spreading the truth all around him, you see. That is where the Honorable Prime Minister of India speaks today, you see. One earth, one family, one future, one sun, one world, one guild, human-centric globalization, conscious-centric humanity. Let us move into this world with the fragrance, the melody, and the sweetness with which that Adi Shakti has sent me upon this earth. जिस आदि शक्ति ने मुझे वह सब जो सुगंध देकर भेजा है, वह संगीत देकर भेजा है, वह माधुर्य, सौंदर्य और सामर्थ्य देकर भेजा है. Well, that is to be scattered to the nook and corner of the world, you see. That is what the Honorable Prime Minister of India says today, you see. And perhaps that message has also been delivered well to the parliamentarians in the first oration by the Honorable President of India. Not speaking much, my salutations to your lotus feet. Vande Utkal Janani Bharat Mata ki Jai.